Hello traders, Lance Ippolito here, and I want to do a quick video update, a free one, but includes some good tips and what's going on here. So it's about 1 p.m. Eastern Time Monday, and a few things that just caught my attention, and this was actually very recent, a couple minutes ago, was Dollar Tree. So we could see here on the institutional order flow scan, the trader did buy 10,000 July 72.5 calls here in Dollar Tree. Took a lot of pain through the Amazon news. So I just went out and bought some weeklies, calls in Dollar Tree, hoping for a quick pop to flip out, hopefully for a double. That's the goal. But if we look, speaking of Amazon, I'm not buying this trap up here around 1,000. I don't want to say short, of course, because the market is very bullish, but it looks a little trappy to me, so kind of just avoiding that. A lot of people have asked about like Nike, Target, and Walmart and such like that. And maybe Walmart the best out of the bunch, but not trying to get married to any position. You see Walmart recovering nicely off the lows. Maybe that has some consolidation and then a gap fill play. I'd rather sit on the sidelines though. Lanier reports earnings. We'll be playing that. Check if you're not a member, you can always check Twitter, or you could see the open positions. But I like the home builders. Very strong breakout here in Lanier. And then Toll Brothers is also an alternative way to play it. Toll Brothers actually moving a little bit greater here, and Toll Brothers seeing quite the institutional order flow from the big hedge funds. These July 39 calls were bought pretty big, about 3,500. So a trader looking for Toll to continue to the upside. A couple of stocks that are forming new long signals today. Actually, sorry about that, wrong scan. Is Google, and there's the alert right there. Here on the daily. Google, I don't mind looking for longs. We see higher lows here, even with the tech decline, trying to change trend directions here. And if we get going here in GOOG above 962, we should have a quick move higher back up to that 980. Also, another thing I'm looking at is Microsoft. Held up very strong in the tech crash, but Microsoft holding up very nice here. We see a trend line support, and it's pretty much holding there. Microsoft, don't want to hop in premature though, possibly selling bull put credit spreads. And lastly, biotechs are pretty hot. VRX, seeing a lot of big orders here in VRX. Really beating down stock for sure. But if we look at trend lines, we are on the edge of a possible trend line breakout to the upside. And there's VRX. There we go. Started to see a little bit of call buyers, really short dated in VRX. And then another one is CELG with these July 7 125 calls. A trader bought them for 50 cents. Now they're trading at, here we go, 1,200. They bought $2, so nothing like a little 4 times your money there in CELG. So biotechs are hot. I will say XPI, a clean breakout to the upside as well, up only 4% today. A lot of stuff working. If you're really trying to get into tech, maybe biotechs are the rotation to look into. Premium in a lot of these domains are a little high, so I would be a little skeptical. I just feel like there's better opportunities in the market with like stocks like Weight Watchers, obviously my favorite ever. So Fun, Lumber Liquidators. A lot of these names that were really heavily shorted. Triple D, another one. Triple D here. These names are my favorite to try to generate return, not necessarily your Facebook and Apple's trying to be the hero here. I'd rather go with stuff that's already moving. Thanks, everyone.